Hey, today's practice is a yoga poses for high blood pressure. So we are doing this really calming down, relaxing sequence, and we are staying in each pose for like 1 minute or maximum of 1 minute. And so especially while doing this sequence, I recommend you to really feel how your body feels, and also consult with your doctor if it's safe for you to practice yoga. It depends really what is your situation with high blood pressure. We are starting this practice today from Savasana, which is easy pose, easy sitting pose. So bring your left heel close to your groin and your right leg is in front of your left leg. Keep your shoulders back and down, your back straight and long, and find comfortable position for you to breathe here. So your chest is open. You can bring your index finger and your thumb together and just feel how it feels to breathe today. And remember to breathe in fully and breathe out fully. Keep in mind that you don't need to rush anywhere. And a couple more breaths here. And we are moving on to Padangusthasana. So bring the soles of your feet together, and you can grab hold of your ankles and just sit here for a while. And again, try to keep your back straight and long. And even though you are holding your body actively upright, try to be as relaxed here as possible. Again, focusing on your breath, breathing in fully and breathing out fully. And you can stay here for a little while longer, or you can start to lean forward a little bit, do a little forward fold. Again, try to keep your back straight and long and your neck as well. Focusing on your breath. And then slowly lift yourself up from here. And come lie on your back, bend your knees, bring your heels close to your palm, press your palms onto your mat, and start lifting your hips toward the ceiling. And while in this pose, keep in mind that your core should be engaged, so have that feeling that you are pulling in your belly button in and up a little. And the pressure, if you can say so, you feel on your thighs. Again, focus on your breath. Breathing in fully, breathing out fully. Trying to keep your inhalation and exhalation equal in length. And then you can bring your palm down and straighten your legs for a little while. And once you have straightened yourself, you can also, if you want, grab hold of your knees and hug them. And then we are moving on to Dolphin pose, which you can have supported, so bring something under your forehead. Bring your forearms onto your mat and come to your plank pose, your forearm plank, and from there start walking your feet toward your hands. So in the end, your tail will be toward the ceiling, so walk as far as you can and try to find a comfortable place for you to breathe again here. and then step your feet back and bring your knees down and come down as well, and we are moving on to downward facing dog. On this pose also you can have something to support your forehead, and then bring your palms onto your mat and start lifting your palm, your tail toward the ceiling and straightening your legs. And keep in mind that your knees can be bended depending on how this pose feels on your hamstrings. And also, if you are straightening your legs, keep your thighs engaged. But then find your the comfortable position for you to breathe. Again, trying to breathe in fully and breathe out fully. And find certain type of relaxation on your breath. Then you can bring your knees back down and come to your all fours, and from there take your time and come up to your standing pose, Tadasana. So come on top of your mat, bring your hands onto your waist and start bending down toward your feet. Grab hold of your big toes with your index finger, your middle finger and your thumb, and then land onto your forward fold. Again, you can have a little bend in your knees. Try to keep your back straight and long and land. Remember that it's completely okay to land wherever you are landing in this pose. And again, find your breath. And if you start feeling dizzy, remember to calmly come out of the pose and just rest. Maybe in child's pose might be a good one, or if you feel more comfortable, just place your palms onto your thighs and just try to relax yourself. And we are moving on. So step on top of your mat, step your left leg back, bring your palms onto your waist, keep both of your legs straight, thighs are engaged, and start bending toward your right leg. Try to keep your back straight and long, and remember that the goal of this pose is not to reach your forehead onto your shin, but keep your back straight and long. And then you can bring your palms onto your mat and have a support from the ground on this pose. And keep in mind that your hips should be facing forward, straight forward. And then lifting yourself up, or just switching while you are still down there. So left leg in front and right leg steps back. Again, hips are leveled and your back is straight and long while in this pose. And then lifting yourself up, and then you can come and sit on your mat. Keep both of your legs straight and long, have your ankles flexed, reach your arms above your head and come onto your forward fold wherever you are landing there. You can have, if you have bolster or some cushions or blanket, you can place that on top of your legs and support your head on your forward fold. Again, keep in mind that the goal of the pose is keep your back straight and long, not to reach your forehead onto your shins. And then you can lift yourself up and then bend your left leg so your left foot is on your right inner thigh, and again keep your back straight and long and come onto your forward fold on your right leg. Find your breath here. Keep your inhalations and exhalations equal in length. And just find the calmness of this pose. And here also you can have the cushion or some support on your legs, so you can support your forehead on that cushion or whatever you might be using there. Then we are switching sides, so left leg straight and long and right leg is bended, and again come to your forward fold. Find your breath. Also feel how it feels to do this pose on the other side. Do you feel any differences? You don't have to analyze that any further, just notice how your body feels when you are doing this to the other side. And then lift yourself up. And then come near the wall if possible and just lift your legs up the wall or some support that you have. Place your palms or your arms on the side of your body, not right there in your body, but a little bit further away. Your palms are facing toward the ceiling, and just relax here. Breathe in fully, breathe out fully. And follow each one of your breaths while in this pose. It might be helpful to count your breaths so you can keep your inhalations and your exhalations equal in length. But all in all, this is your place to calm your mind and relax your body. So if you feel any tension, let that tension melt away from your body onto your mat, away from your body. And then we are already ready for our Savasana today. So come lie on your back, your feet a little bit apart. Again, your arms on the side of your body. Your palms are facing up. Relax your shoulders. Let your feet open a little bit outward, so you are also able to relax your hips. And for a little while, follow your breath here. Breathe in fully and breathe out fully. Let your relaxation lift up from your feet all the way to the crown of your head. And if you find any places on your body where there is some tension, try to direct your breath for a little while into that space, and just with every one of your exhalations, try to let go of that feeling. It also might be some thought or something that you are ready to let go of. Let every one of your exhalations be your opportunity to let go whatever you feel is not serving you anymore. The quote today goes like this: live with intention, walk to the edge, listen hard, practice wellness, play with abandon, laugh, choose with no regret, appreciate your friends, continue to learn, do what you love, live as if this is all there is. Then you can start waking yourself up, bringing a little bit of movement into your body. Maybe move your fingers and your toes. Maybe you want to stretch yourself. Maybe you want to hug your knees in. Do whatever it takes to wake yourself up. And once you are ready, you can come up to seated. Maybe you have opened your eyes already. Maybe if you haven't, you can do that now and continue on with your day. Namaste. And I'll see you next time. And remember, if you haven't already, comment, like and subscribe to this channel. Bye now.